welcome to Cooking with Carrie. As usual, I'm not ready yet. Hold please. This is my man. And I have suckered him into cooking with me today. Guess what we're making?
Tacos.
Nope. I'm making healthy shepherd's pie. The ingredients that we'll need are ground turkey, onion, and garlic to mix with that. We are going to have some broccoli, some carrots, some peas, and then we are going to make, for the top, I'm going to steam this whole head of cauliflower, and I'm going to mash it, and then I'm going to add a little sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. So that's what's for dinner.
Sounds good.
Are you ready?
I am.
Do you want to be my assistant?
That's exactly what I would love to be.
Okay, good. This will be a match made in heaven. Let's start with the cauliflower because this one needs to be steamed the longest. I have a cauliflower hack. So this takes some muscles, and it's a good thing I've been working out. So what you do to break off all of the cauliflower florets, you're gonna pound it. You should be good at this.
Whoa.
Go like this.
That was fun.
You want to try? Ah!
Dude, you didn't.
Oh, he's stronger than he looks. We're gonna go from smashed cauliflower to mashed cauliflower. As you can see, the cauliflower hack worked. We do have small pieces of cauliflower everywhere. The next thing I'm going to do is take all this cauliflower and I'm going to steam it because I'm going to mash it to make my faux mashed potatoes. We got like all the vegetables, a veggie smorgasbord.
Got water in there?
Oh. This is why we keep you around. Yes, please.
Alright, so what do we do next?
Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of this olive oil. I'm going to put it in this pan behind me, and I'm going to start cooking down the onion and the garlic. I'm going to add the meat and cook that down.
Alright, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Turn it down.
No. Here we go. Turn it down now. They simmer down now. Oh yeah. Then let's add the cauliflower right too.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. A little secret. There was a moment in the store where I was like, should I get the reduced sodium? And I said no. We're going full force brown gravy tonight. What are you doing? That's not cooked yet. You can't be eating that.
It is cooked.
Are you sure?
Positive. That's why I ate
But
it.
but how do you know it's not burned? You called me a weirdo. He's not wrong. Who wants to see Carrie make a huge mess? Oh, all right, so I'm gonna strain this. Oh, I steamed my cauliflower. This was a whole head of cauliflower. Now I'm gonna add a little milk and a little bit of butter. Like by a little bit, I mean like a tiny little bit. And then I'm gonna put the lid on it and I'm gonna blend it on up. That was good enough. All right, so this is the mashed cauliflower. It looks like mashed potatoes. It's smooth like mashed potatoes. It smells like cauliflower. I think it tastes delicious. He's pouring the gravy. I put the meat mixture in the bottom with the gravy. Then I put the vegetables on top.
How do you feel about this?
Oh, my concoction?
Yeah.
I feel pretty good about it. I'm gonna actually cover it in cheddar cheese. You know, this is not a professional cooking show. This is a cooking show made where we experiment with food, we hide vegetables in everything, and we perfect a mediocre meal. Speaking of mediocre meals, let's go check the one that I have in the oven. And here we go. This is our shepherd's pie. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Carrie. This time I didn't burn anything, And everything seems edible, and it looks like we're going to have dinner for tonight, so that is always a good thing. This is Carrie signing off. Ryan Seacrest, I stole your slogan.